Welcome to Java Noodles. This video will help you to understand how to traverse through an one-dimensional array. Traversal is the process of visiting each and every individual index position in an array. Assume that you have an array which has 5 index starting from 0 to 4, and it has some values 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. These are all random values. Assume that the name of the array is ARR. Just imagine that you want to print all the elements in the array. So the idea is you need to print the value at each index position, right? We will try to represent the entire traversal process in terms of an algorithm. We are trying to print the value of an array at a particular index. We know that the index of the array starts from 0 to n minus 1, where n is the size of the array. Here in this case, the size is 5, so the index position starts from 0 to 4. So for every value of I from 0 to 4, I will be printing the value at particular index of the array ARR. That is the concept. Let's see a demo. In this example, I am going to create an integer array which can store 5 numbers. So using this technique, you can directly assign the value to this array ARR. You don't have to explicitly give the size of the array since you are directly giving the value. Array will be able to assume the size or the capacity from the given values as input. Since you are trying to change the value of index every time when you try to print it, you need a loop which will keep track of the value of I. You can use for loop or while loop or any other loop for this purpose. Now we will compile the program and execute it. As you can see, it is printing from 0th index to the 4th index. We can also print the value of I just to see how it is changing. So along with printing the numbers, I am going to print the value of index as well. So the meaning of this statement is, first I will print the value at ith index of the array ARR, then I will be adding a space, a white space, followed by the value of I will be printed, and this plus operator here will be concatenating two string. If you have two words, Java noodles, when you use the plus operator, it will combine the two words into one single word called as Java noodles. It will consider also the white space as a character. Let's see the output. Compile the program, execute it. So at 0th index you have 12, at first index you have 33, second index you have 11, third index you have 15, fourth index you have 16. You can also print the array in the reverse order. So here, what is the logic? The highest index or the rightmost index is 4 and the leftmost index is 0. The index position should start from 4 and move all the way up to 0. I am giving the condition greater than or equal to 0 so that every time this condition will be checked and it will be printing the value only if this condition is satisfied. After each iteration, the value of I should be decrementing by 1, right? Save the file, compile the code, and execute it. As you can see, first it is printing the 4th index, then the 3rd index, 2nd index, 1st index and 0th index. And if you want to print all the things in one line, you can use the print function. Println function will print anything in a new line. The print function will print everything within the line itself. Save the file, compile it, execute it, 16 at fourth index, 15 at third index, 11 at second index, 33 at first index, 12 at zeroth index. If you remove this statement, you will get a better picture of it. So I will be printing the value at a particular index and then followed by a space. Compile the program, execute it, and you can see the result 16, 15, 11, 33 and 12. Just like this, you can start from any particular index and end at any point of the array. Thank you.